Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your Thrive theme. That way your website looks nice and clean. So without any fluff, let's get right into the video. All right, so we're going to log into our WordPress backend here, and I'm going to assume that you already have your Thrive theme installed. If you haven't, go back to a previous video and install it, obviously. We're going to come down here to the left side where it goes into Thrive dashboard. We're going to come into here where it says Thrive Theme Builder. Click on there. If it's your first time going into Thrive Themes, it should take you automatically to the Theme Builder wizard. If not, I'm going to show you how to get there to make setup very, very simple. So if you aren't taken to the Theme Builder wizard right away, you're going to see this little dashboard here from Thrive. We're going to click on Open Wizard here on the top right corner. And that's going to take us over to the wizard. Obviously, as you can see, I've already gone through the wizard and set up my site. But if you haven't, you're going to go right up here on the left side, start up here with your logo, and you're going to work your way down the left side of the screen. So using a logo, you see here recommended size 250 pixels by 40 pixels. If you don't already have a logo created, hop on over to Canva, type in that custom size and work on a logo for the website. Keep it simple. Just have your brand name, a cool font that's not too hard to read, and pick one color and keep going. Do not get lost making a theme and a logo. So once that's done, you're going to upload there. The next step is going to be your main brand color. This is going to put it all over the website. Now, for selecting your brand color, you can do a couple of things. If you know the hex code to your color, you can put it right through there, or you can drag and drop using the sliders. If you have a color that you like, but you're not sure what the hex code is, here's a really cool Chrome extension that's free that's going to help you find it. That Chrome extension up here is called Colorzilla. See this little eyedropper up here? It's called Colorzilla. We click on it, and what it's going to do, it's going to be a little eyedropper. And then if you look up here on the top, any color that we have come across the page, it'll tell you all the color codes so you can exactly match it. So once that's done, you can actually select your brand color, click apply. Once you've done with your brand color, it's going to bring you into your site structure. All right, so Thrive Themes on my screen recording software is not playing well together. I can't show you the rest of the Site Builder wizard. So I'm going to skip this left side and go right to the next category. After you're done working your way down this list, you're going to come over here to branding with the color. Click on the theme colors. Your default color should pull over from the site wizard. And then your logo, same thing, should pull over from the site wizard. And your favicon is this little image up here at the top of your website tabs. You would upload them here. It's 140 pixels by 140 pixels. Again, my screen record software and Thrive aren't playing well, so it's not going to pull up my favicon, but that's actually where you enter it there. Coming down to typography, this is where you pick your fonts. When picking fonts for your website, keep it simple and keep it readable above all else. After you're done picking your fonts, you're going to come down here to templates. And this is actually where you're going to select the layouts for each of your posts. Now the templates here, default post, default page, and active homepage. These are the only real templates that you're going to have to really worry about. If this is your first time, when you click edit, it's going to ask you to choose from a bunch of different post layouts. I'm going to show you where to find them. If we go to add new, and we're going to go choose template. And again, my screen record software and Thrive are not playing well together. I'll go to my website in a second and show you that out. For my default page layout, I like to use boxed page. And this is what that looks like. It's just a basic colored box up here with the title of the page on there, and then just the content of the page. It's very basic. It's all you really need. For the post, I like to use the split top post layout. And this is what the split top post looks like. As you can see, it splits with your featured image. It has your title up here in this nice little graphic, and then the content is down and it's nice and rich here with the sidebar. And as for the home page, I like to use the content focused home page. And this is what that page looks like. It's a nice opt-in section here at the top to gather leads. And then it's just essentially listing all of your blog posts. There's another lead magnet here that you can grab leads from. And then if you come down, it's going to categorize by subject. As I add posts, as I add subjects, this page is going to get longer and longer. But it's a very simple page where someone, if they land on your page, they can just start reading your stuff. After we're done with templates, we're going to come down here to site speed. And up here, minification and caching. If you already have WP Rocket installed, there should be a little button here that says configure for WP Rocket. You're going to click that, and it's going to automatically change all of the settings so that your site runs as fast as it can with WP Rocket. Next one over here, image optimization. Because we have a Magify, there really isn't too much to do here. And then the last thing here in speed is accelerated mobile pages. These settings are going to make sure that your website runs fast when someone's surfing Google on their phone. When you get to the page, this is going to be unchecked. So you want to check to enable accelerated mobile pages, and then come down and check all of these boxes, posts, pages, and landing pages. That way everything runs fast on somebody's phone. And then for all these other two boxes, I'll leave them unchecked. And there you have it. Thrive Themes is totally installed and now configured and set up, and your website should look beautiful. All you have to do now is just start writing and filling it out with content. I'll see you in the next video.